I thought of taking the highway, 'cause you know I've never been the stable type.
Happy Monday, everyone. Today I'm going to be working out my back. So it's going to be 5 sets of 5 different exercises, and I'm going to do 12 reps per exercise. And I'm going to go for 12.5 pounds. Hopefully that's not too heavy for me. If it is, I'll have to reduce the size, but I'm not worried about that. Okay, let's get going. So these are called side flies. Okay, put them in front and you literally go 1, 2, you can feel, keep your back straight, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. Now we're going to wait 30 seconds until we do the next exercise. I'm now going to use the bench. I've put it around 30 degrees angle, and I'm going to work my lats here and my inner back, and 12.5 pounds each, 12 reps. Hope this works out, guys, because I have the little microphone here. I've got to lean against it. So, okay, it's down, and you literally go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Amazingly enough, the 12.5 pounds was actually a bit light for me, which is good, I guess. Right, so now we're going to do these. Okay, one arm at a time. Nicely knee up, hand to hold yourself. Okay, and you can go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right, I don't rest. I'll rest once I've finished them all. Change arms. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's rest 30 seconds and we'll progress to the next one. Right, you had a 30-second rest. Next one goes, knee slightly bent, back at about 45 degrees, and it's literally elbows bent, and you just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, let me turn around, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, that was quite a hard one, guys. Right, now we're going to do the same for chest, so for back again, but difference now, I've actually went up in weight, and the reason because I'm going to use 2 hands to do the next exercise. Same thing, knees slightly bent, pick it up, 2 arms, okay, around 45 degrees like this, okay, you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Guys, since I'm doing only one set of each exercise, that was easy for me, so I just decided to continue and did 15. Right, let's go on. Right, my last exercise, I'm going to use the bench, the same weight that I used early on. Be careful about this one. Right, like this, pick up your weights above your head, and you literally just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,